Good morning, students. Previous class we have discussed regarding Kabaddi games, rules and regulation. So this class we will learn the various skills of Kabaddi game. Okay, there are so many types of skills which basically a Kabaddi player used. So today we will discuss the various skills of Kabaddi game. See, skills of Kabaddi. These things we will learn today. So the Kabaddi game skills is divided in two ways. One is attacking skill. It is for the raider. Okay, who will go with kabaddi kabaddi can. And another skill is for defender. Defender means which team will try to catch them or stop the raider. One skill is name is attacking skill. Attacking, and another one is defensive skill. Defensive. Defensive skill. Attacking skills and defensive skill. It is for the raider. Raider, and it is for defender. Defender. So when raider goes with kabaddi kabaddi can't, sometimes he used one skill that is called running hand touch. Running hand touch. Running hand touch. Running hand touch means when the raider will go with kabaddi kabaddi gun, he just stretch his hand and try to touch the kabaddi player or the defender. Defender, they will try to catch the attacker with the hand. It is called running hand touch skill. Then number 2 is toe touch. Toe touch. Toe touch means sometimes raider, what he does, sometimes he try to use his or her toe and try to touch the opponent players or defender with the help of toe. With using toe, he try to touch the opponent player. That is called toe touch. Toe touch skill. Then number 3, front kick. Front kick. Front kick. This skill sometimes the kabaddi players apply to just in front when the defender just in front of the raider, he just throw his legs or her legs and try to touch the opponent player with using his leg. That is called front kick. Then number 4 is side kick. Side kick. Sometimes what raider do, he try to touch the defender sidewise. Sidewise when he was playing in the corner side, then in that time he tried to kick the side kick he used. But you have to remember that your intention should be clear to only touch the player. Okay, you cannot try to injure anyone. Always you just by using front kick or side kick, you just touch the players. Never try to injure the opponent player. Then 5 is mule kick. Mule kick. When a raider use mule kick, when after raiding, when the raider coming back, that time if any defender follow him, that time he just throw without watching the defender. He throws his legs and try to touch the player. That is called mule kick. Then arrow kick. Arrow kick. Arrow kick means just like the airplane. Sometimes the raider they jump and try to kick with the legs and try to touch the defender. That is called arrow kick. So with the help of these skills, basic skills, kabaddi players try to play kabaddi games and a raider try to touch the defender. Now we will go to the defender skill, how they will catch the raider. First see, number one skill is ankle catch. Ankle catch. Ankle catch. When raider come with kabaddi can't, in that time what a defender do? Defender follow their legs and try to catch their ankle. Try to catch their ankle and just lift. Try to lift the leg with holding the ankle. Then what happens? The raider will fall down and everybody will catch. That is called ankle catch. Then number two, knee catch. Knee catch. When the raider will come with kabaddi can't, what happens? The defender jump and try to hold the knee of a raider. That is called knee catch. Number three, thigh catch. Thigh catch. That is also same as like the knee catch. The defender, they will try to hold the thigh of the raider, okay, to stop him. That is called thigh catch. Trunk catch. When the raider come with kabaddi can't, that time sometimes behind the raider, what defender do? They will try to hold their trunk. That is called trunk catch. Trunk catch basically maximum defender they used. If one time they hold the trunk, then the raider cannot go to their own field. That is very good skill. Trunk catch. Number five is over the shoulder catch. Over the shoulder, here. Over the shoulder, sometimes the defender try to hold the raider. That is called over the shoulder catch. Okay. Another one is wrist catch. Wrist catch. Wrist here. Sometimes when raider try to use running hand touch, that time defender what they do? Sometimes they hold their wrist and pull them. That is called wrist catch. But we remember when you are using these skills, the raider, they cannot hit or they cannot try to injure anyone. Okay, they can kick, but in a proper way. Defender, they can hold their trunk, knee or their shoulder, but they cannot catch anybody's hair or shirt. They cannot pull. Okay, if they will do, then referee will give the opponent to the point. With using these skills, basically the kabaddi players, both the raider and defender, both they played the kabaddi game. Okay, so you also can apply these skills and you can play easily the kabaddi game. Okay, thank you very much.